Welcome to Visionary Designs, where we explore the boundless potential of home design. Today, we immerse ourselves in the enchanting world of rustic luxury, a style that blends the raw beauty of nature with the refined elegance of modern living. Rustic luxury is not just a design, it's an experience. It's where timeless materials, thoughtful details, and a profound connection to the earth come together to create spaces that feel both grounded and transcendent. Let us take you on a journey through the essence of rustic luxury, room by room. The foyer is the first chapter in a home's story, and in rustic luxury, this space makes an indelible statement. It welcomes not with grandeur alone, but with warmth and authenticity. A door carved from solid wood, its texture rich with history, sets the tone. Around it, the walls may speak in stone, their rough edges softened by time, or plaster, smooth yet imperfect, reflecting a timeless character. Underfoot, the floor is not merely functional, it is alive with texture. Flagstone, with its natural variation, offers a sense of permanence. Wide plank wood flooring, reclaimed from old barns or mills, carries with it the memory of a bygone era. Light spills into this space, perhaps filtered through iron-framed windows, casting subtle patterns across the floor. Every element of the foyer is designed to create a sense of grounding, a pause before the journey inward. Love what you're seeing? Make sure to subscribe to Visionary Designs for more inspiring journeys into the world of home design. We explore styles that elevate your spaces and spark new ideas. Don't miss out on what's coming next. From the foyer, we step into the living room, a space that embodies the heart of rustic luxury. Here, the old-world charm of raw materials meets the sophisticated artistry of modern design. The room is anchored by its centerpiece, a fireplace that commands attention. Built from stacked fieldstone or smooth, earthy slate, the fireplace is more than a source of warmth. It is the soul of the space. Above, wooden beams stretch across the ceiling, their grain and texture reminding us of nature's enduring presence. The walls echo this sentiment, blending shiplap with plaster or stone, creating a canvas of earthy tones that soothes and invites. Every surface, every finish, speaks of intentionality, luxury that doesn't shout but whispers. Natural light is as essential as the materials. Expansive windows blur the boundaries between indoors and outdoors, letting the colors of the landscape merge with the neutral tones inside. Here, the air feels lighter, the world quieter, and the connection to the natural world is unmistakable. In the kitchen, rustic luxury finds its soul. This is a space where raw beauty meets functional elegance, a room designed for both utility and delight. Cabinets crafted from aged oak or walnut evoke a sense of permanence, their surfaces weathered yet timeless. Countertops of marble, soapstone, or even polished concrete provide contrast, a blend of ruggedness and refinement. The kitchen island is a masterpiece, commanding the center of the room. Its surface may feature a live-edge wood slab paired with stone, each material complementing the other's strength. Above, lighting takes on a sculptural quality. Pendant lights with metallic finishes, bronze, brass, or wrought iron, hang low, casting a warm glow. Open shelving displays hand-thrown ceramics, glass jars, and simple yet elegant cookware, blending practicality with artistry. The adjoining dining space continues the narrative. Here, a solid wood table, its grain rich and tactile, becomes a gathering place. Around it, upholstered chairs or simple benches maintain the balance of comfort and simplicity. Overhead, a chandelier or a series of light fixtures with artisanal touches provides an intimate, inviting atmosphere. This is a room that celebrates the rituals of life, from quiet breakfasts to lively dinners. The bedroom in a rustic luxury home is not just a place to rest. It is a retreat, a sanctuary. The walls are a canvas of soft tones, whitewashed wood, smooth plaster, or even muted stone finishes. The floor, whether wide plank wood or natural fiber rugs, invites bare feet and quiet reflection. The bed itself is an experience. A canopy of reclaimed wood, its lines clean yet organic, frames the softest linens and woolen throws in neutral hues. The layers are rich but unpretentious, designed to cocoon and comfort. The room may feature a fireplace or a simple reading nook, creating moments of intimacy within the larger space. Windows, unobstructed by heavy treatments, frame views of the natural world outside. Whether it's a forest, mountains, or an open field, the landscape becomes an integral part of the bedroom's design, reminding you of your connection to the earth. Lighting here is soft and layered, with bedside lamps and subtle overhead fixtures, creating an ambience that is restful and serene. The bathroom in a rustic luxury home is more than a functional space. It is a personal retreat. The freestanding tub becomes a centerpiece, crafted from hammered copper, polished stone, or smooth ceramic. Its curves are both timeless and inviting. Around it, the walls may be clad in stone tiles, their texture evoking the feel of a mountain stream, or plaster with a finish that feels organic to the touch. The vanity, often made from live-edge wood, combines raw beauty with practicality. The countertop might feature stone or polished concrete, its cool surface a contrast to the warmth of the wooden base. Fixtures, whether in antique brass or brushed nickel, add a touch of understated elegance. Lighting is thoughtful, designed to emulate the softness of natural light. A large picture window may frame an outdoor view, turning the act of bathing into a meditative experience. The bathroom in Rustic Luxury is not a place you rush through. It is a space to pause, to reflect, and to restore. Finally, we step outside to the patio, where Rustic Luxury meets the open air. This outdoor space is an extension of the home's interiors, blending seamlessly with the natural surroundings. The flooring, whether stone, weathered wood, or compacted earth, feels authentic, grounding the space in the landscape. At the heart of the patio is a fireplace or a fire pit, its stonework echoing the materials inside the home. Around it, seating is deep and inviting, upholstered in fabrics that are as durable as they are beautiful. Lanterns and string lights provide a warm, ambient glow, inviting long conversations and quiet moments under the stars. Rustic Luxury Outdoors is about simplicity elevated. It's the joy of feeling connected to nature without sacrificing comfort, of creating spaces that encourage stillness and presence. Whether it's a quiet morning coffee or an evening gathering with friends, this is where life feels uncomplicated and beautiful. Rustic luxury is not just a style, it is a way of being. It is about celebrating the raw, the natural, and the timeless, and elevating those elements with thoughtfulness and care. Each space we've explored today tells its own story, yet together they create a home that feels alive, welcoming, and profoundly human. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of rustic luxury. May it inspire you to create spaces that ground you, comfort you, and bring you joy. At Visionary Designs, we believe that great design doesn't just transform homes, it transforms lives. Until next time, let your spaces inspire, and may your designs always be visionary.